What's up, guys? You're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today our topic is the PlayStation 5 errors, and I'm just going to show you how to fix this error. And the error is that NW-102636-8 the connection to the PlayStation network has timed out something, and how to fix it. I will just going to show you, and here is the screen on my left side, and we go to the screen. Here we are at the screen. Look at that. Here we go to the settings and the network, view PlayStation network status. So you must check the status server. Sometimes the server is down and it will maintenance or other problems. So here you get the all is green. If you get the all is green, then your server is working up and good, you have a local internet problem. So you must go to set your own internet connection, go to the settings, enter your settings, the DNS servers. You can change your DNS servers, test your own internet connection. If is it not working, you contact with your internet provider. I just use a LAN cable than the Wi-Fi. You're directly connecting from the router to PlayStation 4 and you will get the better speed on it. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of connection error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box and see you soon for the next one.